Most people's bodies are acidic. Why? They're eating junk foods, high sugary foods, high fat foods, environmental pollutants. Did you know stress even causes your body to become acidic? And an acidic body is a setup for sickness and disease. You need to get alkaline. That's why we formulated greens. Greens are designed to balance the pH of the body, to create your body as a garden for health. You can fight all kinds of sickness and disease more powerfully when your body is alkaline. And our greens product has a very small scoop and it's orange flavored. It tastes wonderful. It will cause you to be alkaline so that you can get and stay healthy naturally.
One of my favorite products is the greens. Every morning I start my day off with 2 scoops in either juice or water.
I don't start any day without that. My wife and I, Cindy, we both take our vitamins, take our greens each morning. When we looked at greens, we realized the importance of alkalining your body. And there were a lot of different products out at that time that claimed that. But through our research, we found the best was eating salads, eating greens, but people didn't have time or weren't able to eat as much as you needed in your daily dosage. And what I loved about our greens was the ones I'd tried before, they tasted like new mowed lawn. I mean, they were terrible. And you had to take so much of it. And I really like how they condensed the serving size in ours, the taste of it, and then, of course, the ingredients that are in there.
Years ago, I read a book called Alkalize or Die, and I really didn't understand that until we introduced the greens, and that helps your body become detoxified. So I feel like I'm really doing my body a good service by taking the greens each morning.